been in Delhi since long, but I never got a lecture like this. My name is Pushkar Nandan Singh. I'm working presently at Fortis, Gurgaon. I saw Sumanta Kumer Saha's on Instagram advertisements, and then I called up and I found out how to proceed. I've been in Delhi since long, but I never got a lecture like this for MRCP. So it has been a wonderful experience for me with Dr. Kumar and the colleagues who have come here from other states. And Dr. Kumar has been so informative for MRCP that I think I'll go for the regular course, and one should go, as he has explained it very well and divided the topics so briefly that you can recapitulate very easily. So I'm very thankful to him, and I would love to make him my mentor for MRCP.